everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! So guys, I am on my way to the fitness studio and today's day 13. I hope I'm counting correctly and got the right numbers in order, or the right days or whatever. Anywho, I am not feeling it. It's gray outside, and oh man, I have to admit, sometimes I am not always gung-ho to do exercise in the morning, okay? So I'm happy to do fitness, and I'm happy to get rid of my weight, or a few pounds or kilos, but some days I'm just not for it, and today happens to be one of those days. I actually slept good, but I don't know. I mean, it sucks if you wake up and it's super gray outside. Yes, it's super gray. And yesterday we had such a beautiful day, and I tell you, the sunshine, it really makes a difference. Makes a difference in your mood swings. That's why I know that one day I will be living in an area where it is sunny, because although I like living in Europe, or at least the northern part of Europe, I let's face it, I'm getting over this grayness. It sucks, and it really does affect your mood swings. So, however, this is not a Debbie Downer video. It's still to get you guys motivated and to say that one still has to be happy that one woke up this morning. And in spite of whatever you may be going through, one should still be happy, and thankful that you're able to still do things. There are people who didn't even wake up this morning, or just really down. So in that aspect, I can't be too demotivated and too like but I'm only human. So yes, I'm going to get in there and get going and do my routines. And broke a nail last night. I'm not so happy about that. Breaking a nail is like because if you break a nail, or if it cracks, just one bump and that sucker's gonna pop off. So I'm totally scared about that. Really scared. So, and yesterday I also I had a teeny bit of a setback. I love hot peanuts, and I could not resist, and I ate me some hot peanuts. Oh, they were so delicious. I almost finished that whole pack, but however, peanuts are good. Just, you gotta be careful of how much peanuts you eat. So that could also affect my mood swing. Like, oh man, just when I'm rolling, and then I had a little setback of peanuts. So I gotta really watch that. But it's okay. I'm only human. So, anywho, stick around, guys, and join me on my fitness losing weight journey. And no, I'm not going to step on that scale today. No, I am not. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to do it on those days where I'm like, okay, I know I did good. I didn't do any cheating this week. That's when I'm going to step on the scale. So anywho, guys, if you liked the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Sorry, guys, I got to drive, so I can't look at the camera. Yes, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to hear more from me and follow me on my journey, my vlogging journey, subscribe. I'm not really uploading videos every day, but every other day. Yesterday I didn't do a video, so today I'm doing a video. Yesterday I took a break, and so yeah, I'm back at it again. So however, so see you then, and don't go nowhere.